Hello and welcome. My name is Taro. I work at IKEA and today we're going to make a Swedish classic, homemade meatballs. If you don't feel like making meatballs from scratch, you can always pick this up at IKEA. And these are going to serve together with the cream sauce that we also have at IKEA. And lingonberry jam. The ingredients we're going to use today are crisp rolls, chopped onion, fresh cream, boiled potato, egg, butter. And for garnish we're going to use parsley, red onion slices, ground pork and ground beef. We're going to take a bag, put the crisp rolls inside, so start bashing, and we're going to put it in a bowl, and together with the fresh cream, and leave it to soak for a couple of minutes. We're going to mash this by hand, and then we're going to add an egg, pork and beef. Just give it a nice mix. Now we have sauteed the onions in butter, so we're going to incorporate this together with the meat. Add salt and pepper. We're going to use allspice, and you take a lump of meat, roll it between your palms until it's nice and round. Okay, so now the meatballs have been in the freezer for about half an hour. We are going to start with a knob of butter, and while we're doing this we are going to make pickled cucumber, and I have here sliced cucumbers. To add sugar, salt and white pepper. Add vinegar. Finally, when everything is mixed together, we're going to add water and just let this sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to drain the liquid. So I'm going to plate this on this plate. Today we have mashed potatoes, the cucumber, and this is really my favorite, lingonberry jam. And it really looks so nice on the plate with all the colors. We're going to have some red onion, and together with a sprig of parsley. And you have the cream sauce. Wow, this looks really nice. This is the Swedish classic meatballs. Thank you. And today we're going to make a meatball sandwich. And we're going to use fresh lettuce, mayonnaise, sour cream, sliced tomatoes, parsley, horseradish sauce. And we're going to use also sliced cucumber, diced red onion, diced apple and diced red beets. And we're going to use the soft wheat bread and meatballs. Let's start by making the beet salad, and you're going to combine all the ingredients. So then we're going to slice the meatballs into halves. Next we're going to take bread, and at the bottom we're going to use lettuce, and then we're going to take some of the beetroot salad, and of course meatballs, nice tomatoes, cucumbers, a sprig of parsley like this. And next we're going to make meatball kebabs, and for this we need meatballs, boiled potatoes, paprika, onion, zucchini, and we're going to serve it together with a salad. And we have also tomato and cucumbers for the salad. We're going to make two sauces, one with mustard and sour cream, and one with mayonnaise and ketchup. So let's start by making the actual skewers like this. So let's start by grilling this in a frying pan. We're going to make two sauces. And the first one, we're going to use ketchup and mayonnaise. Next sauce, sour cream. And we have mustard and a little bit of water. Okay, so now it's time to flip them over, and they're looking really good. And another few minutes on this side. We're going to garnish this plate with some salad. We're going to plate this up. And you have the two dressings, and you can use either one you want with these. Thank you.